Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to use Nano Banana in Google Gemini for free, and you don't need a pro account. And by the end of this video you will know exactly how to use it to create and edit amazing images. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open Google Gemini app. If you don't have it yet, just head over to Google Play Store and then just search for Gemini like this, and then just install it on your phone. You can also use Gemini on the web if you prefer. And once installed, just simply log in with your Google account on here and you are ready to go. Now let's find Nano Banana. In my case, you will see it right on the main chat page like this. Here, this one. But if not, just go to Tools, this one, just tap on it and then tap on Create Images, this one. But if you still can't find Nano Banana even after updating to the latest versions, don't worry, I have dropped a link in the description below with a quick tutorial on how to fix this issue. And once Nano Banana is active, you can start using it right away. And the best part is it's totally free. You can see on my account, I don't have a pro like this, but I can still use it. Let's try a simple example. I will type like this. I will type a prompt like this. For example like this. Like this. And just like that, Gemini generates the image instantly like this. It's incredible, right? And then Nano Banana can also edit your own photos with just a prompt. For example, I will upload my photo first. Just tap on plus button and then gallery. For example like this, and then I want to the background in black and white but keep the main subject in color, so I will just type my prompt like this. For example like this, and then just generate. Like this, as you can see, the result, it looks so good. And then you can just do so much more, like remove objects or add new ones, change styles, or even adjust camera angles. The possibilities are endless, and so feel free to experiment. So that's how you use Nano Banana in Gemini. It's completely free. Whether you want to create stunning art, edit your photos, or just have fun experimenting, this tool will give you tons of creative freedom. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!